Dear God. I need to be really specific this time. Please help me find $80,000 on the floor today. Hey boo, gonna take a sip of my coffee for a second. I have not attempted one of these in a while. I'm gonna try to do no editing, but that's really scary for me because what you don't know is that I'm actually really awkward. And I do and say things that you just don't deserve. So let's just see what happens, okay? So we're gonna bypass an intro, although that was an intro. See, that's the kind of stuff I would edit out right there. But, all right, Dollar Tree haul. If you're new to my channel, gonna give you guys the spiel just in case you're new. Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, and Sundays are Dollar Tree hauls. And then Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays are other hauls related to decorating, and then sometimes decorating videos. I just recently decorated my media room for Halloween, and I'm going to be tackling the living room, the entryway next, so stay tuned for that. Okay, so now that we have that out of the way, today's obviously Dollar Tree. See, that's what I would edit out right there. But I found some new stuff. As always, I can't believe it. As many hauls as I do now on my channel, it blows my mind that I'm constantly showing you guys new stuff. That's why I love this store. But anyways, I found some brand new floating shelves, and I found them in both the black and white option. I really like the black one. I think that I should go back and get some more and actually do something maybe creative in my media room with this. But I also really like that there's a white option. This is what I'm always looking for when it comes to finding decor at Dollar Tree. I need to see options that are those neutral home basic colors like black and white. So the fact that they're doing that is really awesome. They even give you the tools or the nails and stuff to put these into the wall. So really awesome. Can't believe these were $1. And then I found these magnetic hooks. I love me this Jot label. I just do. And I've never seen these before. They're magnetic, so you could put these on the fridge, which would be awesome, because then you could also hang like oven mitts or pot holders or something, or maybe like a decorative towel. That would be really cute too. Or if you have, you know, a middle schooler or high schooler using lockers, this could be handy for that as well. And even at work, if you maybe have a filing cabinet, this could maybe hold up a purse. Have no idea if it could withstand that weight, but just throwing some ideas out. I picked up some more Arm & Hammer, this baking soda. I like to use this to sprinkle on the carpet or Loxie's bed. Yeah, and also, you know, will it be a Dollar Tree haul if I don't mention Vanessa? Like, you know? So she, I think, mentioned using this in something, and I was like, yep, wrote it down, even though I already have a box of it. I don't know why, but I guess I got another one. So got that for cleaning purposes, and I picked up more of the microfiber towels. Before Vanessa, I was never a fan of microfiber. I actually just passed by them all the time, but ever since I moved into this house and there's granite countertops, this is what you use. And what I've learned through buying some of the different microfiber options at Dollar Tree is some are actually not that great and some are really great. So I found that these pack in the Driver's Choice label at Dollar Tree. They both work really well, both the green and the blue. So I picked up another batch of those. I think it was the gray ones that aren't good that I showed you guys in previous hauls. I'm not sure, but I could just tell. It just wasn't wiping down the countertop well enough for me. Okay, I picked up another set of these book rings. These are the large ones, and I bought more hats. So I need more of these. This is how I organize my hats in my closet. And actually, I found another way to organize hats. I showed you guys in a previous video. It's basically the paper towel holder. I actually use that for my most recent hats just because it's easier to stack them in and out. So all of my go-to hats, I use that method, but this method I use to just hang up. So I had to get another bag of those. And then this product was new. I've never seen it before, but it's a scented broom. I'm sure there's like a whole reason behind why it's a broom. So if you know, please educate me in the comments section. But you guys, I can smell this. It's just very cinnamon, very fragrant. And I'm not a cinnamon person. I mean, well, I like the smell, but it gives me a headache. But I'll basically put this upstairs. And it smells really good. But somebody please tell me why it's a broom. Is there a specific reason why it's a broom, or is it just decorative? I don't know. So found that, and that definitely stood out as a new item for me. Then I found a new one of these cutting boards. I actually really like these from a like decorating perspective. I've always wanted to really go all out and do a coffee bar. I just haven't gotten around to doing that. But this one's really cute, and I wouldn't use this as a cutting board. I would use this maybe as like a background decoration, and I really liked this print. Very fall. I like the dark colors. So, and they also have these in a round option too. But I've noticed I prefer square shaped, and I never knew that about myself until I don't remember what I was doing, but I was just like, I like square shapes over circles. I don't know. Anyone else have the same thing? Okay, the next things, actually there's a kind of a funny story tagged to this. I found these awesome bamboo kitchen utensils, the silicone and bamboo, and they came in a gray option and I believe a red option, which, oh my gosh, I have to go back now and get the red. I have to, because I think it's gonna look so cute in my kitchen because I do a gingerbread theme. But I went with orange just because in that moment I was just thinking fall and I wasn't thinking any other holidays. And that's, I usually don't do that. I always like to think ahead. But anyways, here are all the options that I found. It looks like to be really great quality, but what was funny was that as the guy was checking me out and scanning these, he's like, where'd you get these? And he definitely had not seen them before. And I was like, oh, they're right behind you. Like, it was literally like the kitchen section was right behind his register. And I was like, oh, they're right behind you on the bottom. I was like, I think there's gray and red too. And he was like, oh no, I have to do the orange like this because, you know, it's very fall. And he was literally ringing me up and walked away, you guys, to go get the box. He went, got the box, pulled it, and then sat it on top of his register so that he could pull some of the orange ones for himself. And it was so hilarious. I was just like, yes, go do it, you know? So anyways, it's probably not that funny. It was just like you had to be there kind of thing. This is why I edit. It's a perfect example of that. So if you're new to my channel, for 6 years, this year was the 6th year, right? I did the Halloween candy haul from Dollar Tree. Usually I'll end up doing 2 videos a year of the Halloween candy hauls. I'll link this year's down below. And I know you guys love it. I know you love me trying some of these candies, but I decided there's not going to be a second one this year. But let me show you the extra little packages that I picked up. Here are boogers, which now I completely regret getting this because that's just disgusting. Like, there's just no, I don't even know what to say. And then I got this one package of peanut butter pumpkin. I think I've definitely bought this before. I think this will look really cute in a gift basket. You know, it's like one of those things where you get one, okay, it's $1, but this isn't something you would want to buy in bulk quantity from Dollar Tree, in my opinion. But it's a chocolatey shell filled with creamy home-style peanut butter. So I got that. And I got the Bon Bon Booms, the midnight ones. I call them midnight. Are they calling them midnight? I don't know why I call it that. I just name things. It's black cherry and black grape, and there is bubblegum in the center. And this does, you can see it says tongue painter. So it does change or it makes your tongue black, basically. So these are actually really good lollipops. Completely underrated, I think. Okay, I have a couple of items left, and I don't know which to show you first because they're both so good. What do I want to show you first? All right, we're gonna go with the best wine bags I've ever seen walk through Dollar Tree. So if you need to give somebody a gift or whatever it may be, these you need to look out for. And it's a whole collection that you can tell just kind of goes together. So this one says cheers in a rose gold foil. The handle's pretty. I think they were trying to match the rose gold. They didn't quite nail it, to be honest. And then you can see it just has that very Merlot-y look to it. I really like it. It's really chic. Then they did this. What? How amazing is this for $1? Pinot Noir, Chardonnay, Cabernet, Rosé, Merlot, Zinfandel, Riesling, Champagne, Moscato. There's just all of the names are on here. Like, how amazing is that? And some of them have the foil. Even this one is like a bright fuchsia. Oh my gosh, this bag is absolutely everything. The side on this one has stripes. The handles are a little bit lighter, has that champagne look, which I like. I like this handle color better than this, but to be honest, from far away, it matches. So I think it's completely fine. And just FYI, this is what the side looks here. And these two take the cake for me. They are so good. They have this little pop-up feature here. What in the world? This is so cute. It honestly, oh, you know what? My brother's birthday is around the corner, and you know what? I'm gonna get him some wine, and I'm gonna use one of these bags. This one says, "You make me blush." You guys, this is everything. So cute. And then the polka dots are foil too. Love this one. And then this one says, "You had me at Merlot." Oh my gosh, yes. This is good stuff. This is good stuff. Oh my god. Oh my. Oh my gosh. I love a good side feature on gift bags. You guys know I dive into all those little details, but this is really good. It's just has such a Tuscan Italy feel to it for me. And then this one is the same thing. I feel like if more people, I said this in a recent haul about another item, I'm going to say it again about this, but I feel like if more people knew about these bags being at Dollar Tree, they would be sold out. So I think these are a must grab. Even if you don't have anything to gift right away, store it away. You never know. Okay, then the last item, which I don't even know that you're ready for this either. I found a diffuser. Yeah, battery powered, portable, water-free diffusing. I didn't notice that. That's interesting. But look at this. How amazing. What is Dollar Tree doing? They are... And I love how little and compact that it is. You can see that it is battery powered. So that's kind of interesting. And then I guess you would open up this top and pour in the essential oils. Oh, wait, what? That doesn't seem right. Like if I poured something in there, we might be sparks. You know, I don't think that's, Oh, it's the base. It's not the top. Wait, what? And it says there's 2 pads. Oh, here we go. Okay. I caught up, everybody. Here are the 2 little pads, and you remove the base. You can see that there's a ring there. So you would then put one of the pads around the ring, and then you would add the drops of the essential oils to the pad itself, and then secure it, and then this would be the button to turn on. So, okay, that's really interesting. Then I did find essential oils too. They're providing that as well. I found actually 2 different styles. Let me show you this one. We have tea tree, which is a good one. Now you want to be really careful about your essential oils. There is good kind and then there is bad kind. And then here is peppermint. Here is eucalyptus. I think this stuff will also be really great in a gift basket. And then here is lavender. So really good choices that they're giving us. This peppermint is really awesome because this will be nice for wintertime, but peppermint is good in general. When I recently saw my doctor for my cough, I talked to her, I was like, yeah, I put on my cough's gone now, by the way, but because I got put back on an inhaler and all this stuff. But anyways, she said, do you sleep with a humidifier? I said, yes. She was like, add some peppermint to it too. So she recommended that. And then I found this style of essential oils, and this one is honey rose. I've never seen a honey essential oil option. And then here's another eucalyptus. This one's a really good one. And then another lavender. This one is called Lavender Fields. So pretty cool that you can find those at Dollar Tree. And that's it for, that's all I have to share for today. So anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that through editing, I don't know, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm sure I'm editing something out because I was quiet for like 3 whole minutes trying to figure out this guy. So anyways, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Come back for Tuesday's video. I'm gonna do a Hobby Lobby holiday haul. You guys don't want to miss it, and hopefully I'll see you there.